key, and for enter key we have defined the constant, so we can use that. Enter key, in and end. And when enter key is pressed, first we need to save second number in memory. So what is our second number? Number 2. Is equal to EDT screen dot text, and of course because it's a string, so we have to convert it to float. Okay, so we have number 2, and now we have a math operation already selected, so we will see what math operation was selected, and we will use case statement here to make it more readable. Case math operation of, okay, if it was plus, we already have number 1, answer will be number 1 plus number 2. So that's beautiful. So we have this case math operation of plus and add these two numbers, and let us copy them all. Okay, if it is minus, subtract them. If it is multiplied, multiply them. And if it's a division, and divide it. So when we have this answer, and we also have to show this answer to the user, so we will write it back to screen, EDT screen dot text answer to string. And the thing is, now it is converted, but we also need to empty this math symbol, and we also need to discard this key. Discard this key, and also discard math operation. Let us see how it goes. 89 plus 1 is equal to 90. So calculator is working fine. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. 8 divided by 9 is equal to this amount. So that's how it works. Code needs a bit cleanup, and we will do it in later on. But for now, our calculator is complete. Let's see what happens if we do not discard this math operation. In that case, it continues. For example, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, and it continues to add. If it is a wanted behavior, it is a feature in some calculators. If it is a wanted behavior, then keep it. Otherwise, for other operations, it should be mostly clear, because calculator is a basic calculation function, and it should be as straightforward as possible. So that's why we discard this math operation, so that this do not happen again, because when there is no math operation, no one of these will execute. So that's why we discard this character. Now we can optimize the code. You see, it's not 113, it's not much bigger, and because we are almost discarding key here and here and here and here, so instead of discarding them one by one, we can discard it after case statement outside, and remove all the other statement, because it's executing anyway, and it will also reduce our some lines. And also for clearing screen, we can do you see, when we write and start, we can replace a small procedure for clear screen, and let us optimize the code a little later now.